Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our search series in the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and we're going to learn how to reset back to the defaults once I've done a series of search or enacted a series of filters. And I think you'll find this a very useful tip. So again, let's click on the little search magnifying glass and do our traditional faith search. Now, once I've gone through, and my scope here is faith, and I'm scrolling through, I might want to come up here, and before my last one, see, was search in the latest current. And you go, well, that's not what I want. I want to search in content sequence or weighted relevancy. So remember to click on that and reapply. Now, once I open a book, let's say I'm opening in Acts of the Apostles, and I come back to do another search, you can see that it's not searching in EGW collections. In fact, it's searching within my current book title of what I just opened, Acts of the Apostles. How do I clear that? We'll just tap in the search in, click on EGW collections again, much like I did in the filter, and now I'm searching through the the default order that we have of alphabetical. Now maybe I've set a filter here in my collection filter, and so I may want to reapply that. So you just need to check your filters once you've been using the app for a while. If you close out the app completely, it will come back to your original default state. Once I've done a few searches, so let me type another couple of words. So say I type faith, and I type gospel, and I type second coming, and I've got a few things up in my search history here. So you can see here I've got second coming, gospel, and faith. And I may have filled this up, and it will save the last 99 search results in your history here. If you ever want to clear that out, just tap on the menu here, click on the settings, go down into your settings to the search section, and the bottom of the search section says clear search history. And you clear yes when you click on it. And when I come back into search, you can see now my search history has been cleared out. So there's a quick couple of tips on how to reset your search filters once you've been using the app for a while, or to clear them out. I hope you've learned a couple of quick little tips today about search and how to reset the defaults that we've enabled in the app. And always remember, when you're reading and studying Ellen White, to pray with God before you do your study. And that way you will be able to get a real blessing as the Holy Spirit opens your heart and minds to receiving the truth. May you always go with God and be blessed.